Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through how to convert video files using VLC Media Player. VLC is indeed just a media player. It also has a powerful built-in video converter that allows you to change your video files from one format to another. This is especially useful if you're dealing with compatibility issues or want to reduce file size. In this guide, you'll learn how to access and use VLC's conversion tool quickly and easily. Step 1, open VLC and access Convert feature. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Click on the Media tab at the top left corner. Select the option Convert Save from the drop-down or press Ctrl+R. Step 2, add file, choose Format, set destination, and convert. In the new window, under the File tab, click Add and choose the video you want to convert. Click Convert Save at the bottom. Under Profile, select the format you want. Click Browse to choose where you want to save the output file, then name your file. Click Save, then click Start to begin the conversion. VLC will show conversion progress in the player. When it finishes, your new file will be saved to the selected location. And that's it. That's how you can convert video files using VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you out. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.